What made your best day special?
It was special because I spent it with my family at the beach.
Where did you go on your best day?
I went to the mountains with my friends.
Who were you with on your best day?
I was with my family and close friends.
What did you eat on your best day?
I ate pizza, ice cream, and fresh fruit.
What time did your best day start?
It started early in the morning around 7 a.m.
What was the weather like on your best day?
The weather was sunny and warm.
How did you feel on your best day?
I felt happy, excited, and relaxed.
What activity did you enjoy most on your best day?
I enjoyed swimming in the sea the most.
What music did you listen to on your best day?
I listened to my favorite songs all day.
How did you travel on your best day?
We traveled by car through scenic roads.
What did you wear on your best day?
I wore comfortable clothes and shoes.
How long did your best day last?
It lasted from morning until evening.
What games did you play on your best day?
We played cricket and board games.
What made you laugh on your best day?
Funny stories and jokes made me laugh a lot.
Who made your best day memorable?
My friends and family made it memorable.
What was the first thing you did on your best day?
I had a delicious breakfast with everyone.
What did you see on your best day?
I saw mountains, rivers, and beautiful scenery.
How did you spend the afternoon on your best day?
I spent the afternoon swimming and relaxing.
What did you do at night on your best day?
I watched movies and talked with my family.
What surprised you on your best day?
A surprise picnic made me very happy.
How did you feel when the day ended?
I felt satisfied and grateful.
What was the funniest moment on your best day?
A friend slipped into the water while playing made everyone laugh.
What was the most exciting moment on your best day?
Swimming in the waves was the most exciting moment.
How did you celebrate your best day?
We ate cake and shared stories.
What did you learn on your best day?
I learned that small things can make a day special.
How did you feel in the morning of your best day?
I felt energetic and happy.
What did you do after breakfast on your best day?
I packed my bag and went out for a hike.
Who joined you for lunch on your best day?
My cousins and friends joined me for lunch.
How did the weather change during your best day?
It stayed sunny and pleasant all day.
What did you take pictures of on your best day?
I took pictures of landscapes and happy moments.
What did you do with your friends on your best day?
We played games and sang songs together.
How did your family make your best day special?
They planned surprises and cooked my favorite food.
What was your favorite moment on your best day?
Watching the sunset by the lake was my favorite moment.
What drink did you enjoy on your best day?
I enjoyed fresh lemonade.
How did you relax on your best day?
I relaxed by sitting under a tree and reading a book.
What activity made you tired on your best day?
Playing cricket in the sun made me tired.
How did you celebrate your achievements on your best day?
We shared cake and congratulated each other.
What made you smile all day on your best day?
Being surrounded by loved ones made me smile all day.
How did the day start for you?
The day started with breakfast and laughter.
How did the day end for you?
The day ended with fireworks and happy memories.
What did you notice about nature on your best day?
The mountains and river looked beautiful in sunlight.
How did you feel during lunch on your best day?
I felt full and satisfied with delicious food.
How did you spend the afternoon?
I explored the park and took photos.
What did you do after returning home?
I rested and shared photos with friends.
How did your friends make your best day fun?
They made jokes and played games with me.
What was the most peaceful moment on your best day?
Sitting by the lake and watching birds was peaceful.
What did you enjoy about traveling on your best day?
I enjoyed the scenic road and fresh air.
What was your favorite food on your best day?
I loved the pizza and ice cream.
How did you decorate for your best day?
We used balloons and flowers to decorate.
What did you do in the evening on your best day?
We had a bonfire and sang songs.
What was your favorite song on your best day?
My favorite song was the one we sang together.
How did you feel when you saw your friends?
I felt excited and happy.
How did you feel when you saw your family?
I felt loved and cared for.
What did you notice about the sky on your best day?
The sky was clear and blue with some clouds.
What activity made you laugh most?
Playing tag with my friends made me laugh most.
What did you enjoy during the picnic?
I enjoyed sandwiches, juice, and the outdoors.
How did you play games on your best day?
We played in teams and had a lot of fun.
How did you capture memories on your best day?
I took photos and videos all day.
What made the sunset memorable?
The colors in the sky and calm water were memorable.
How did you share moments with friends?
We took selfies and shared stories.
How did your best day start at home?
It started with a warm breakfast and smiles.
How did your best day end at home?
It ended with hugs and good night wishes.
What did you feel about nature on your best day?
I felt peaceful and amazed by nature.
How did you feel about the activities?
I felt energetic and entertained.
What did you enjoy about walking?
I enjoyed fresh air and beautiful views.
How did you feel about playing games?
I felt excited and competitive.
How did you feel about eating your favorite food?
I felt satisfied and happy.
What surprised you on your best day?
A surprise gift from friends made me happy.
How did you enjoy the morning on your best day?
I enjoyed a calm walk and breakfast with family.
How did you enjoy the afternoon on your best day?
I enjoyed swimming and laughing with friends.
How did you enjoy the evening on your best day?
I enjoyed sitting by the fire and sharing stories.
How did you enjoy the night on your best day?
I enjoyed stars and cool breeze at night.
How did you feel about the weather?
I felt comfortable and happy in sunny weather.
How did you feel about the food?
I felt delighted and full of energy.
How did you feel about traveling?
I felt excited and adventurous while traveling.
How did you feel about the activities?
I felt joyful and playful all day.
How did you feel about friends' company?
I felt cheerful and loved with friends' company.
How did you feel about family's company?
I felt safe and happy with family.
How did you spend breaks during the day?
I relaxed and enjoyed snacks during breaks.
How did you feel about the scenery?
I felt amazed by mountains and rivers.
How did you feel about laughter on your best day?
I felt light and joyful when everyone laughed.
How did you enjoy talking with friends?
I enjoyed sharing jokes and stories with friends.
How did you enjoy talking with family?
I enjoyed sharing memories and planning activities.
How did you spend your favorite moment?
I sat quietly by the lake and enjoyed peace.
How did you spend time with cousins or friends?
We played, laughed, and took pictures together.
How did you feel about gifts or surprises?
I felt grateful and excited.
How did you plan your best day?
I planned it with family and friends carefully.
How did you remember your best day?
I remembered it by taking photos and notes.
How did you enjoy the food with friends?
We shared and laughed while eating together.
How did you enjoy the food with family?
We ate together and talked happily.
How did you feel about the sun and weather?
I felt comfortable and relaxed in the sun.
How did you feel about swimming or outdoor activities?
I felt energetic and refreshed.
How did you enjoy quiet moments alone?
I enjoyed thinking and feeling peaceful alone.
How did you enjoy group activities?
I enjoyed laughing and competing with others.
How did you enjoy music on your best day?
I enjoyed singing and listening to favorite songs.
How did you enjoy games on your best day?
I enjoyed playing actively and winning points.
How did you enjoy talking about memories?
I felt happy and connected while sharing stories.
How did you enjoy snacks or treats?
I felt excited and satisfied while eating.
How did you enjoy the evening sunset?
I felt calm and amazed by the colors in the sky.
What made your best day unforgettable?
Spending time with loved ones and enjoying nature made it unforgettable.